Hello, today we're going to be completing 11.681. We'll be finding the area of these shapes here, and we're going to have to break the shapes down into different pieces. For example, this first one here, we would break this down into a square and then two circles. I'm going to zoom this here a little bit, and we'll do a couple of these so you can see how I would break that down into a square and two circles. So the square, this is going to be 7 by 7, so this is going to be 49 centimeters squared. And then we need to find the area of the circles. Let me make that a little bit darker. We need to find the area of the circles. Well, if this diameter of the circle is 7, that means the radius is going to be 3.5. So I can pi r that, pi times the radius to give me the area of the circle. So I'm going to take 3.14 times 3.5 times 3.5. Pop that in. 3 times 3 times 3 would be 27, so it's going to be in that range. It's obviously going to be bigger than that, but 3.14 times 3.5 times 3.5. So 38.46. 5. See, we get equals 38.465. So I knew it was going to be bigger than 27 based upon the 3 times 3 times 3. So it kind of matches my estimate. Of course, that's just one circle, 38.465 for the second circle, because here's one. Here's the other. And then we have to add the 49 to it as well. So I'm just going to take that number, I'll take that times 2, and then add the 49. So 125.93.
Good morning. Excuse this interruption, but will Dana Curry Braddock...
And that's going to be centimeters squared. Sorry about the announcement there. So that's why we figured that one out there. Let's take a look at another one here. Here's my work on that. Take a look at this one here. This one always confuses kids. A couple of different ways you can do it. I see a trapezoid and a half circle. I think that's the easiest way to do it. So let's do the half circle. The half circle has a radius of 5, so it's going to be pi times r, and then that's going to be divided by 2 because it's a half circle. So this would be 3.14 times 5 divided by 2. So we get the area down there. 3.14. I'm just going to take it times 25. And then divide that number by 2. We've got 39.25. 39.25. So that'll be the area of this circle here. I'll just label it 39.25. Now we need to find the area of the trapezoid. Well, the area of a trapezoid is going to be 1/2 the height times the base plus the base. So 1/2 the height is 6, so 1/2 of that's going to be 3 times the base. Well, this is 7. This base is 7, and this one's got to be 10. If the radius is 5, that means this is 5, and then it double that would be 10. So this is going to be 3 times 17, which is 51. So I can take that 51, and I can add that to the 39.25 equals 90.25. And that's going to be millimeters squared. All right, I think it's important on a problem like this to always make sure you go back and you agree with your numbers. So here was my area of the circle. That would be about 75. I had 78, I believe, to be exact. Then I divided it by 2. There's my 39.25. That makes good. I want to make sure I divide it by 2. Half the height is 3. The base plus the base is 17. 51. Total of 90.25 millimeters squared. Okay, good luck working on the rest of those. Just break them apart. One quick note, this one down here, kids struggle with this one. I see two parallelograms. Here, I can see a rectangle and two triangles. I can get rid of this. I can see a triangle and a trapezoid then down here. So here would be a triangle, you can probably find, or here. But here's also a trapezoid. You can find a trapezoid and then a triangle too. So there's different ways to do it. And I think you have the measurements you need to do them both. All right, good luck.